How's it going, guys? It's Root Junkie here, and today's video we're going to go ahead and use the XTC2 Clip, which is this little box right here, to go ahead and remove FRP on the HTC 10. So here you can see that we are locked to previously synced Google account. So the way you do this is you go ahead and you power off the device, and you want to get it into download mode. So the best way to do that is to hold volume down and power. And you just go ahead and keep holding it. Now you let go of power once it boots up, and then you just keep holding volume down on the device, and you'll see that it's going to go ahead and boot into that mode. And there you go. We are in download mode here on the HTC 10. So we're going to go ahead and use a USB Type-C connector and plug it into our computer. There we go. We're plugged in. And then let's go over to the computer and open up the software and go ahead and remove FRP on this device. Alright guys, here we go. Everything is good. So let's go ahead and launch the software here. And we'll open up the program right here. Bring it over here so you guys can see this. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to read the phone. And you can see it gives you a whole bunch of information about the phone right here. The next thing you want to do is just make sure that your clip is reading right here. So mine's under E, and you can detect it to make sure it's functioning. And then under all of your modes, you're just going to click on the FRP mode, and then you're just going to say the new method, remove FRP new method, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. You have detected unlocked token has already been calculated. Do you want to use it? So I've already done this once in testing. Otherwise, you won't get this. It'll basically go out and it'll contact the server and come back. But we're just gonna we'll do no so you can see how to use it. So we'll say no. So it's communicating with the clip right now. What it's gonna actually do, since I said no, is it's gonna connect the server. It's gonna go ahead and request the token for the device. And then what will happen is it'll go ahead and flash that to the device. So you're going to see it here quickly. It says it takes up to 5 minutes. It really doesn't. There you go. See what happened up here? So it says push the power key to continue. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It says it's been removed completely. We're actually done on the computer at this point. Alright, so you can see we're back into the phone here. You can actually unplug the cable as well. And then we're just going to go ahead and scroll down here to reboot. And it's going to go ahead and reboot the device. So at this point during the reboot, this should have fully removed FRP off the device. So we're just going to let it boot up and just show you that now we can log into any Google account. It's really that simple with most of these HTC devices. It's really simple. It's real nice. So very easy. You got the flash box, and this thing is just really a cake to use. So let's let this thing boot up here. So I don't know what you guys want to see on these devices, what you're looking for, but this is really cool. I'm hoping to do a lot more with some of these other things, maybe do an S-off, things like that on it. So let's go ahead and do a start. You can see this is actually already looks different. The terms of service normally does not come up there when FRP is triggered. And I'm just trying to do this video fully uncut. So there you go. You can sign into any device, or we can hit skip, skip. Go ahead, go all the way down, hit next. Just kind of skip through all this. Not now, skip anyway. Just trying to get into the device fully booted up. And there you go. It's really that simple. FRP with the XTC2 Clip is like 2 clicks. It's really that easy. So yeah, guys, please comment down below if there's any other footage and stuff you want to see using this little flash box. It's really awesome. But that's going to wrap it up for me in this video today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll catch you guys in the next XTC2 Clip video. Root Junkie out.